No matter how back tire run, e no go ever fit run pass front tire. Na your boy Okpobosis. Today, I go tell you about something wey go make you become front tire for this race of life. Na your boy Okpobosis. Keep it locked with me. I dey here with you big time. We go talk about cryptocurrency today. Wetin be cryptocurrency? How dem take dey use am? Na wetin that cryptocurrency be? After I go hear blockchain, after I go hear bullish, bearish, see the kind of word wey dey use wey go scatter person head. All this kind grammar. How long you go take African person to fit take understand wetin cryptocurrency be? Talk more of say make you even use am, make you even better in life wey people dey talk. Without this breaking down, we no go fit o. That is why for this series wey I get so, I wan give you the ogbonge breakdown of wetin cryptocurrency be from beginning to finish. But for this today video so, I wan give you the introduction, which means wetin that mean say na the beginning, the basic thing wey you go understand first of all before you go fit to do crypto or know wetin e be or understand all the things wey people dey talk about. They say they dey use am buy, they dey use am sell, so many things. But now I go break am down from the smallest thing. Alright my people, cryptocurrency na money wey dem dey use for internet. Na dem dey call digital currency, or you fit call am digital money or internet money. The same way wey you take dey buy something with your naira and your dollar, na the same way cryptocurrency dey use am take buy something for internet. E no dey physically like this o, but e just dey for internet digitally. You understand? For internet wey you fit use am buy something or take sell something, na just money. So because of all this, we go dey talk about the anonymity, which means the hidden nature of this cryptocurrency. So every day over $9 million na dey lost worth of cryptocurrency, like over 3 billion naira. So every day they steal from different people wey dey do cryptocurrency related business. People wey dey say invest your money, I will give you times 3. Oh boy, carry your 10k keep before you say you wan go multiply am into 3 for cryptocurrency business, they go lose you. So na so they take dey use people money take and go. So because of the secret nature of this cryptocurrency, so many people dey use am take do, I talk am before, illegal activities, and they no dey fit catch them. Some people dey use am, all these terrorist group, they dey use am take buy gun, order gun, do many things. Guy, no be small thing o. Black market, na this thing they dey use to buy things for black market, and this thing no really make the thing there, and some people accept am. So na one of the bad thing wey they dey use am do wey no good. Abeg make we try, make we use am for good thing, because this thing na good technology. So this crypto, e get very important use, and in fact na good thing. You know say anything wey dem create for this life, e dey very good on its own. Na until wey human being come, na him go come choose whether e go make am good or bad. You see this crypto so, I dey always say where dem kick cow, they dey see blood. And many good things dey, but people dey use am bad. And this bad part, no be small bad thing. Like as I dey talk to you, people dey use am as scam too much. In fact, na the number one way to scam people. And another time, you know say this cryptocurrency, they create them every year. So when they create am newly, many people go first buy am. That time e dey cheap well. Within 1 year, the thing go come blow. Think something wey you buy with 1,000 naira now, before you know, you go come become that kind 100,000 or maybe 1 million sef. So you no go fit even know. Na one thing make people dey use am well. Another thing make people dey use am be say, when they do something bad, they fit use am too. Understand? Nobody go know. So wetin come make this cryptocurrency matter and Bitcoin take blow and other altcoin dem? Wetin make them blow na the way they take dey use am. For instance now, they dey use am do transfer for internet, and the money wey they transfer money, e no cost. Like bank now, they dey charge you too much. This one they no dey charge like that. And again, they dey use am as investment, and people go store am, keep am, the money go come go up. After 2 years or so, person go fit become billionaire overnight. Now so my people, we never finish. Make I tell you the last part of this introduction. So this crypto what I talk about, over 50 million people they use them worldwide, and I tell you, people they use them for trading, people they use them for different things, they use them as investment, and I go explain all these things for you now. People they make money oh boy, they make money but I go explain for you how they do them. And also the baba of this cryptocurrency, now they call Bitcoin, that one they make up for 2009. Since that time the thing don't blow. So say as I just did the rush this is so and my introduction be this one, we never even start to this crypto matter, plenty, this cryptocurrency matter, na something wey dey very very long, but I no wan make this video too long. Na me sef I even come dey rush am. But if you really want to know very well, I tell you, just hit me up for Twitter, for Instagram, for my website, anywhere where you just hit Okpebosi sef. I go break am down for you to the last level. Even him go fear you, I tell you. So, but make I still go one more level. See am now, you no go fit ever understand this cryptocurrency finish until you understand these 3 things wey I wan explain to you. Number 1 thing wey you must understand na be say e get wetin dey call decentralized system. Number 2, e get wetin dey call blockchain technology. Number 3, e get wetin dey call encryption. If you no understand these 3 things, baba, e go hard for you to understand wetin crypto really mean. The first thing wey I go explain for these 3 things na be encryption. You see, they call cryptocurrency. Crypto, that thing simply means hidden. That word crypto, so it means something where they hide, like something where they secret, where no they open, where people no fit just understand. And how they make and they secret now encryption method. So now that encryption I want to explain. So encryption are the way where they hide something for the internet where somebody don't just fit understand. So the person must fit to understand some kind of mathematical formula before you go fit take understand wetin that encryption code mean. So now make they use encryption for cryptocurrency, and I make utility. Now that take encryption, so now cryptocurrency take the work. Where they make people no fit understand them, they make a hidden. Where government no fit control the thing. Nobody fit just come now and say won't control the Bitcoin or control everything because it dey encrypted. You understand? So now the second concept where you go understand again for this blockchain, for this cryptocurrency matter, be say you need to understand what decentralized system be, because this cryptocurrency they use decentralized system. Now this system where they make the things fit happen for different places, but you go to keep record for one place. So nobody fit get power, may just control them. Like government no just fit say now then they keep money, now then they keep the cryptocurrency for where, because they decentralized. So nobody fit get authority, only him to take handle them. So now the system where they operate with that. The another concept where you must understand now, they call blockchain technology. This blockchain na me baba. See, it don't be like say if you want travel go bank now or you want go somewhere, you must carry something to go where you want go. So it don't be like electricity now. You know say wire day and electricity current day. If you touch the wire and no electricity, it no go shock you. But if you touch and where electricity day, it will shock you. Blockchain technology na be the wire, while the cryptocurrency na be the electricity. You get am? Hey, I dey feel you. So now, without this blockchain, so nothing go work for crypto. If blockchain technology no dey, and the thing no go just work, and you no go fit send money, go give somebody just like that, because the person no go even receive, and you no get where you go fit travel take go, because now the way to take travel now be that blockchain technology. So now the crypto take dey move inside the internet. That technology now they enable the thing take keep record, take dey hidden, take dey decentralized. So now make that thing now baba blockchain. Now be the future. Now be the future. Me I understand that very. At least with these 3 concepts where me I don't try break down small in my own way, I know say you go don't understand how you go fit explain, because many people go ask you wetin be this cryptocurrency sef, wetin be this blockchain, you no go even know what you go tell, you no go know how to explain to them how the thing they move. But now at least you fit use this my small thing take make the person understand say crypto now the money, blockchain now the way, encryption now how they hide them, and all these things. You see they get them now. Now so my guy. No forget now your boy Okpebosi we go teach you all the things when you go fit to learn. Even NBA no go show you like that. Now me be the man wey dey for the internet, where they teach people, even waiting Google no fit teach them. Okay, my good people, now for here now we dey wrap am up for this introduction to cryptocurrency. I know say you don't learn many things, many videos they come where you go know say you get many things where we go learn. Now education and be the power. So I go explain many things about investment, about so many things, the future technology, where the thing they go, how you set, you go fit position yourself so that you go dey part of those people where go change our world. So this one I take the tell una say make una keep it locked. Remember to subscribe if you dey follow me. I go dey give una wetin Google no fit tell una.